Hello, and thank you for choosing Budget Blinds. Here's how to use your magnetic charging kit for your motorized roller and honeycomb shades. So to use your magnetic charging cable here, you'll have your pole, the head assembly for said pole that actually holds your charger, and then your magnetic charger there as well. If your pole did not come pre-assembled, not very difficult at all to attach this. This just screws onto the top, like so. You can get it nice and tight. And then that sits on there for you, and this is just your assembled pole. You can leave this together, put it in the closet somewhere, and then it'll stay there for when you need it within the following year. So for this pole, you'll have these little connectors pieces here, these locking mechanisms. These might vary depending on which pole you have. Most poles are essentially the same sort of thing though. You flip this up, this will extend, and you flip it back down, and it's locked into place for you. So what we will be doing is our shade is up here, and you will see actually that magnetic charging bit is still actually plugged in up into the shades. So you shouldn't have to do anything as far as getting up on a ladder, plugging anything in. Your installer should have done this portion for you. So you'll have this magnetic charging bit either on the end of your roller shade or behind the cell shade in the battery pack or something similar to that fashion. It varies by shade, but your installer should be able to show you that when they are on site, giving you the rundown of your products. So now that our pole is fully assembled, we'll go ahead and grab our magnetic charging cable. And this has the magnetic charging bit on the end. All this does is that once you get it close enough, it'll snap into that other portion of the magnetic charging kit. That stays there and the cord will dangle there. So to set this in here, you have these two notches on each side of the attachment here. So what I will do for this demonstration is I will set the cord into the longer portion here that bends downward. Make sure this piece is sitting straight up for this. And then once that's fully in there, we'll unlock the pole, raise it up to our needed height, lock the pole again, and then we're just gonna carry this pole and get it close to that magnetic bit. That will snap into place, and then you just gently take the pole off of the cord, and then that cord will hang there, and your shade is now charging. And then typically charging takes anywhere from 6 to 8 hours, sometimes 10. And what we recommend is to keep it plugged in for about 6 to 10 hours. So typically we'll tell people to do it before you go to bed. That way your shades are already down, you don't have to worry about it. You plug it in, you go to bed, and then in the morning you take it off. And as far as taking the cord off of the shades here, really simple. We recommend that you just step aside from it for just a second. You don't want to be directly underneath it and then have it pop down and hit you in the face. We stand it aside here much like this, and then all you have to do is just kind of give it a tug. That will fall down, and then you are finished with your charging of your shades, and then your shade should be good for another 6 to 9 months, up to a year. That is pretty much it for charging your shade using a magnetic charging kit. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your local office. We're happy to answer any sort of questions you may have or to come by and do a demonstration for you. But super simple, and this offers a great solution for charging your shades when they are a little bit too high up to reach and you don't want to break out your extension ladder every single time you need to charge your shades. Thank you for choosing Budget Blinds.